And guys, it's raining now and outside, and I have gonna eat a lunch with parang Coconut Crunch lang. Ito, sarap na ito. Tapos, wait lang, meron pa. Sobrang ingay sa labas niyo. Sobrang ingay sa may labas. Sarap guys. And this too. This the best.